We do know that heavy traffic is a common problem not only in Metro Manila but also in other parts of the Philippines. In addition to lack of discipline of the driver and the apparent violation of existing traffic rules. To this day, the government is still using the traditional method of apprehending a violator, which sometimes causes slower traffic flow and anomalous transactions along the way. An approach from seizing a violator up to the payment process causes inefficiency and some unlawful transaction. As such, the developers come up with the idea to apply the latest technology to solve the problem that aims to accelerate the transaction of traffic violation ticketing system without compromising its security and efficiency. With the combination of modern technology like Android devices, the power of internet connectivity, and the security features of blockchain, we introduce Trappic, a decentralized application that can modernize the traffic violation ticketing system. Through this application, traffic enforcer can issue a violation ticket digitally. Data integrity will not be compromised because of blockchain technology. Its immutable ledger and unchangeable data will be an essential part of the security of this application. It makes the transaction efficient and trustworthy. The application consists of three main user accounts: the administrator account, traffic enforcer's account, and lastly, driver's account. Administrator account has a sole privilege to maintain and register a user account of a driver, enforcer, and register a vehicle. It also has a page where you can navigate the list of traffic violations, its descriptions, and appropriate penalties. The payment page secures all the payment status and history of the driver. It can also set the license tracker from traffic enforcer to LTO, which means the license was submitted to the office. In search page, the administrator can search for the driver, enforcer, and car that is registered to the system. It can view all personal information, cars that has been registered in his name, his license information, and the violation that has been committed by the driver. The administrator can also terminate it, license, and his account in this page. He can also verify here if the driver was eligible to get his license. Traffic enforcer account consists of the following features. The TE can see in its dashboard the total number of violators he caught and the navigation to the entire account. A ticket filing page enables the traffic enforcer to file a ticket to a driver who will commit violation by searching his account. The driver's profile will be displayed to verify his account. Filing a ticket is just a click away, paperless and effortless. It is on the discretion of the enforcer whether he will confiscate the license or not. Adding this feature gives way for PUB driver to save money before paying his obligation. The TE can also view all the history of violation he files to a driver for reference purposes. The driver's account has also a dashboard where he can view the number of violations he committed and the navigation for the entire account. Just like the other account, he can also view all the list of violations so that he can be familiarized himself to different violations that he can commit. He can also view his violation history, a table divided into two so that the user can easily view all the pending violations he must settle. In payment page, the driver can view his pending violation at the same time the balance of the wallet that he can use to pay for his obligation. Payment will be more efficient. In the account page, the driver can view all his personal information and the load balance where he can add up value to his account and use it to pay his violation. All transaction history and payment is blockchain based. Through research, the developers come up with an idea on how this application can earn a profit. Based on Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA Traffic Monitoring Office in 2017, the top 3 common violations committed were disregarding traffic signs, obstruction, and violating the number coding scheme. Data from MMDA Traffic Discipline Office Ticketing Management Division shows the following figure. If this application will have a processing fee of 20 pesos each committed violation, it will earn up to 4 million pesos annually. This figure is based on 4 common violations only. There are still many violations committed by a driver that is not listed above. The application can also collect a one-time registration in each account. We believe that this application can be beneficial to all the stakeholders involved. Trappic, the future of traffic enforcement.